Interfaces. Earlier, we explained what is an abstract class. But interface, it is a completely abstract class, and it is used to group related methods with empty bodies. Now let's move into our code and clarify what is an interface. So in this class, we have created an abstract class. In this abstract class, we have created an abstract method too. But in an abstract class, we can create generic methods too, such as public void method, and this is a generic method, not an abstract method, but we can create abstract methods too. So in abstract class, no restrictions for using a method. We can create both abstract and generic methods. The specialty is abstract classes do not have a body, but a generic method has a body. Now let's move into interface by creating another interface. Okay, now let's create interface. We'll name it as laptop here. Okay, now we have created an interface here, public interface laptop. So in this interface, we cannot create a generic method such as this one. In this interface, we can create only abstract methods. That means we can create only methods without a body. So let's move into this one and let's create public void, and let's create something like price. Here we create a method, but that method is an abstract method. We can't create generic methods here. We can't create a body. So if we create a body, it pop-ups an error, make price default. So let's clear this one and make it abstract, and let's create another method and let's create it as battery. Okay, now we have created another method, but both of these methods are abstract methods because we are using those in an interface. Okay, now let's make another class. This time we make a class. I'll make a class as Asus. Okay, we have created a class as Asus. Earlier, when we inherit a class to another class, we used the word called extends. But this time we are inheriting an interface to our class. So let's use this keyword, implements. So implements, and yes. So Asus class implements laptop. Right, that's an error again. Let's see what is there. So this laptop is an interface. It is an interface, not a class like others. So it consists with methods, but those methods are abstract methods. So when we implement an interface by a class, we need to give the declarations of these classes, give a body for these classes. So let's give a body for that classes. Public void, and the methods are price. Okay, and we have another method that is public void, and that method is battery. We have created the methods. Now you can see the error has come out, and let's print something here, and let's print something like price is $1,000, and let's print something in this one as is out, and let's print like battery is 80%. Right, we have created two classes here, and now let's move into our main class and create an instance of this ASUS class. ASUS is a class, so we can create objects from ASUS class, but we can't create objects in laptop. Okay, now let's do this one, and as simple ASUS equals new ASUS. So here we created an instance. Okay, right, now let's use this instance and see what are the things that we can access using this ASUS class, ASUS instance. So the error is going to be we haven't created the main method here, so we must create the main method here, and we must include these things in our main method. I have accidentally removed the main method too. Okay, now let's run this and see. You can see the price is $1,000, and let's access the other things too. ASUS dot, and we can access the battery here. Let's access battery, and you can see price is $1,000 and battery is 80%. So these methods can be accessed using the instance of ASUS class, but ASUS class was implemented using a laptop interface. So interface is a totally abstract class. That's what we have about interfaces.